Hi, I'm Meg, proud owner of a TIGGO 7. And for me, safety always comes first because every trip carries the people we love. And that's why I'm so excited to be here today to celebrate Chery's flagship, the TIGGO 9. Built on the latest T2X platform, it brings bigger dimensions, smarter technology, and cutting-edge safety. Built for 5-star global standards. It features an ultra-strong cage body with 85% strong steel, 21% hot form steel, and 10 airbags to protect every passenger. And today, we're putting it to the ultimate test. 2 TIGGO 9s colliding head-on at 50 kilometers per hour with a 50% offset. This will reveal how its structure, safety features, and rescue response will perform in real life. It's bold, it's thrilling, and it's proof of Chery's safety-first philosophy. Let's hold our breath and watch this test together.